Here are a couple of ways to find your way around the Canvas course. You've made it to this page already, so you probably are familiar with the previous and the next buttons to work your way through the pages of the course. Go ahead and click there. And then also you'll notice that if you hover over it, it has the name of the next page that you are going to get to. If you don't want to work your way through page by page, you can go to Modules. Here you'll see a list of all the pages. This is where we started. We went through this page and then we went to this page. I also want to point out that this top module has the Zoom link for where to go for lectures and a little schedule. And this bottom module has a couple of discussions that we'll keep open throughout the course. The course Q&A discussion is for posting questions you have about the chemistry material itself, and the student lounge is a way to connect with other students in a more informal way if you wanted to talk about other topics. If you would like to see the syllabus, that's another useful thing. You can click over here. This is a link to the Google site. A PDF of the syllabus is found on the People page. Here is a picture of our schedule. Also down at the bottom of the page are some upcoming assignments and when they are due. So that is also helpful. The grades page is explained in another page further down, but this is where to find your grades. If you would like to go to the discussions, if you know that that's what you're looking for, we have the course discussion on different questions you can post about the material, the student lounge for just informal chatting with other students, and then these are assignments that are discussions if you know that you need to find one of those. Starting from the modules page again, I wanted to point out some of the material that we're using for the class. So the LibreText course, I have a link on this module 1, the first page of module 1. And this is the textbook that we'll be using for the class. We have the textbook here. I'll show you this with different chapters. The first chapter looks like this. And the different pages are there. Again, you can just use this to scroll through the different pages. So that's the first page, this is the second page. Or you can always go back to that. This is the breadcrumb trail up here. You can go back to the introduction chapter if you are coming back to it and you know that you are already up to section 6. You can just click on that directly instead of scrolling all the way through. Another thing that the course has is practice exercises. So here are some different pages of practice questions that you can try. Another thing that is in the Chem Libre course is the agenda. If you click on this, and then you click on the Fall 2020 agenda, there is a table with the different weeks of the course. The readings for the course are also linked here. These are the same ones that were seen in the text page. Also, the practice exercises page that I showed you is here. One of the text pages is mostly exercises, so I put it in the assignments. Also, there are links to some of the videos that I think would be helpful for you.